Hello students, today we are going to learn about our MPT exam CSS February 2020. It was held in this year 2022, and our section which we are covering is of general knowledge, in which environmental science, current affairs, Pakistan affairs come in exam around 50 marks it consists of, and we're going to cover it. So here you can see on your screen is sample paper which is given by FPSC. So let's solve it. With explanation I am giving you its answers. So it is start from question number 151. So what it is, let's study about it. All of the following organs in the human body are located both on the right and the left side except option A lungs, option B kidneys, option C spleen, and option D eyes. So students, we know that humans have, according to option A, two lungs, and in option B we have two kidneys in our body, and spleen we have only one in our body, and we have two eyes in which we have to see. So its answer option, so the correct answer is C, spleen. So our answer of question number 151 is C. So students, now we're going towards question number 152. So our question number one, after knowing this is spelling, we are going towards question number 152, in which says chemical composition of laughing gas is number 1 A nitrogen plus hydrogen, B nitrogen plus oxygen, C nitrogen plus carbon, and D none of these. So its correct answer is B, which is nitrogen plus oxygen, which is called as laughing gas, which is used by people so they can be laugh in festivals. So students, now we're going towards question number 153. What it says light year is related to, now option A energy, option B speed, option C distance, option D none of these. So the answer is distance. As we know, light speed is 3.8 10 raised to power 8 per speed. So it cover a distance from sun to reach to the earth, as we all know that. So we goes towards the question number 154. What is the longest bone in the human body? So students, first option is femur, number 2 B is arm, number C is leg, number D is none of these. So its answer is option A, which is femur. So students, next we goes towards question number 155. What it says which one part of the donor's eyes is utilized in eyes donation? Number option A cornea, number B lens, number C retina, number D none of these. So its answer is cornea. So option A is correct. Students, now we go to question number 157. It says iodine does not react with, the option A is sulfur, option B fluorine, number C option nitric acid, number D none of these. So its answer is sulfur. So option A is correct. Iodine does not react with sulfur as it is alcoholic. So due to this, it's corrected in chemistry we read it doesn't react with iodine. So next students, we go towards question number 157. It says that excessiveness of which vitamin is result in clotting of blood. So after option A is vitamin K, option B is vitamin D, option C is vitamin A, and option D is none of these. So its option is vitamin K. If you use vitamin K excessively in your daily life, so it causes clotting of blood in your body. So our option is option A. Students, now we're going towards question number 158. Which one of the following color has the shortest wavelength? Option A red, option B yellow, option C black, option D blue. So its option A is correct. Answer is blue. Blue has a shortest wavelength. Students, now we're going towards question 157. The sun is a number A planet, number B star, number C asteroid, number D is none of these. So students, its answer is star. As we know, sun is a star, like all stars are in a so distant, long distance from earth, so we can see it. But on our this planet universe, on Milky Way, and we have sun as star existing around which our planets are revolving. So our option is of 159 is star. So sun is a star. So students, now we're going towards question number 160. What it said, where is blood formed in a human body? Our option A is bone, marrow, liver, heart, none of these. So our option of this question will be option A, which is bone marrow. Bone marrow around this our blood formed in a human body. Students, now we're going towards question number 161. What it says neurology is the branch of medicine concerned with the study and treatment of number A kidney disorders, number B disorder of the nervous system, number C heart disease, number D none of these. So it's question number 161. Its answer will be B, disorder of the nervous system. What it results, the nervous system is the branch of medicine concerned with the study treatment of disorder of nervous system. Student, now we're going towards question number 162. It says LPG consists of, now our option A is hexene and non-hexene, number B Boston and hexane, number C butane and propane, and number D is none of these. So students, I first want to tell you that it is belong to organic chemistry. This question is LPG, where there are carbon created on which for fuel. So LPG is not a very very rich fuel. So definitely it have more carbons in it and hydrogen more in it. So our most cheaper looking is C, which is butane and propane. So our option will be C, option of 162. So students, we're going towards question number 163. The greenhouse effect is caused by an excess of, in number A carbon dioxide, number B carbon monoxide, number C carbon tetrachloride, D is none of these. So then the greenhouse effect is caused by carbon dioxide. As we know, carbon dioxide, due to excessive flowers, due to excessive temperature in greenhouse effect, the carbon dioxide is produced, and that effect come from there, as carbon monoxide is come from the fuel of these transports, where there is no catalyst was used, so that carbon monoxide gas will be reduced to stop polluting the environment. And option C is carbon tetrachloride, which is again not a gas, not a strong gas, but our best option will be carbon dioxide. So greenhouse effect is due to carbon dioxide. Option A is correct. So students, now we're going towards our question number 164. Short-sightedness can be corrected by number A, converge concave lenses, number B concave lenses, number C convex lenses, and number D none of these. So students, our answer will be correct was concave lens. Concave lens. Due to this concave lens, our short-sighted can be corrected. So students, now we're going towards question number 165. What it says li- the lifespan of our white blood cells range from A 13 to 20 days, B 20 to 15 days, and C 14 to 18 days, and D none of these. So its correct answer is A 13 to 20 days. If the lifespan of the white blood cells range is from 13 to 20 days, so we have to memorize it. So student, memorize it for your betterment. A option is better. So question is, we move towards question number 166. Wait, what it is? Neutron was discovered by A. Robert Hooke, number B. Charles Darwin, number C. James Chadwick, and or D. None of these. So its correct answer is James Chadwick. So neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Students, now we going towards question number 167. What it says dash hosted conference on dialogue of Asia civilizations on May 15, 2019. A. China, B. Bhutan, C. Japan, and D. None of these. So its correct answer is C. A. China. China hosted conference on dialogue of Asia civilization on May 15th, 2019. So student, now we're going towards question number 168. What it says, which country parliament has declared climate change emergency on 1st May 2019. So which country it is? It is A option Japan, B Norway, C UK, or D none of these. So it's option our correct answer is UK. So UK has declared, Parliament has declared that climate change emergency on 1st May 2019. So student, now we're going towards question number 169. What it says the process in which a heavy nuclear split into two lighter one is called A beta decay, a gamma decay, C nuclear fission, or D none of these. So its answer is C nuclear fission. As we know, the heaviest nuclear split into two light into one is called nuclear fission, and if one nuclear light is become from two nuclears, it is called nuclear fusion. So our correct answer is C of 116, which is nuclear fission. So students, now we're going towards question number 170. What it says? It says the shortest wavelength for audit sound is A 1.7 centimeter, B 0.7 centimeter, C 0.6 centimeter, or D none of these. So our correct answer is 1.7 centimeter, which is the shortest wavelength of an audible sound is. So audible sound which we can hear is at 1.7 centimeter. So students, you have to memorize it. So students, now we're going towards answer question number 171, which it says, which was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? A. Quaid Azam, B. Liaquat Ali Khan, C. Saad Harris, D. None of these. So our correct answer is Liaquat Ali Khan. Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. So student, now we're going towards question number 172. What it said, IMF headquarters is located in A. USA, B. Germany, C. France, D. None of these. So correct answer is USA. In USA, IMF headquarters is located. So our next question is question number 173. What it says the headquarters of FATF is located in A. India, B. Japan, C. France, and D. None of these. So correct answer is France. So France headquarters in France, the headquarters of FATF is located. So next, our next question is question number 174. What it says Narendra Modi took oath as a Prime Minister of India for the second term in the year? A. 2017, B. 2019, C. 2021, and D none of these. So correct answer is 2019. As we all know, in February 2019 it was happened, so we can memorize it. The Prime Minister of India has taken over second time in 2019. So students, next we are going to understand is question number 175. Where is the site Kekra? A. Gwadar, B. Pasni, C. Karachi, or D. None of these. So correct answer is Karachi. In Karachi, the site of Karkara lies. Site lies. So student, we are going to understand about question number 176. What it said? It says Kazakhstan offered rename called Astana as dash in the honor of Nazira Baivi. So our correct answer is, so we study which answer is correct. A. Kozulf, B. Nur Sultan, C. Messi Masa Move, or D none of these. So correct answer is B. Nur Sultan. So student, now we are going to understand next one. Question number 177. The first ever meeting between North Korea leader Kim Jong-un with US President Donald Trump was held in number A. Singapore, B. North Korea, C. Vietnam, and D none of these. So correct answer is A. Singapore. In Singapore, first time the meeting of North Korean leader Kim Jong-un with US President Donald Trump was held in Singapore. A option. Question number 178. Student, we are going to understand what it is. First female ambassador of Saudi Arabia to US is number A. Nadia Besson, B. Prince Rim bin Bandar, number C. Sarah Ayad bin Muhammad Ali Ayad, and number D none of these. So correct answer is B. Prince Rim bin Bandar was the first female ambassador of Saudi Arabia to USA. Students, now we're going to understand about next question, which is question number 179. Meeting of foreign minister of members state of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, which is SCO, Afghanistan contact group was held on July 14, 2021 in dash. Our option A is Bishkek, Kazakhstan, B. Dusbanda, Tajikistan, number C. Astana, Kazakhstan, and D none of these. So the correct answer of this answer is B. Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Dushanbe, Tajikistan. The correct answer is B. So question student, now we are going to answer question number 180, which is CPEC is the flagship project of A. Global infrastructure, B. Belt and Road incentive, C. EU connectivity partnership, or D none of these. So correct answer is Belt and Road initiative. So Belt and Road means from Amsterdam to China. This one belt, one road, as we know about CPEC, China and Pakistan. This CPEC was made. So China Pakistan economic corridor, we know it, and one belt one road we say. So it is, so likewise we can remember Belt and Road initiative for global incentive with this project. So this option B is correct. So now we're going towards question number 181. What it said? It said 4th June is observed as number A. World Health Day, B. World Environmental Day, C. World Happiness Day, and D none of these. So our correct answer is B. World Environmental Day. As question number 181 is 4 June we observe as World Environmental Day. So students, question being moved towards question number 182. So 182, it says which one of the following space agency has announced to open its International Space Station for commercial business to accelerate a thriving commercial economy of its country. A. Japan Aerospace Explore Agency JAXA. B. NASA. C. ISRO. And D. None of these. So correct answer is NASA. NASA is that announced to one in its international space station for commercial business to accelerate a thriving commercial economy of its country, which is USA. So question is, so student, now we're going towards question number 183. Which is the first country to approve Oxford AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine? A. UK. B. Russia. C. China. And D. None of these. As students, there is a hint. We know Oxford is a university which is exist in UK. So definitely it is the first country that approve its own country university which Oxford made. So the correct answer is A, option UK. So this is a easy answer for us to understand this. So student, now going on to question number 184, which is Pakistan is in the dash list of FATF. A. Black. B. Grey. C. Red. And none of these. So correct answer is grey list. Pakistan is still in the grey list of FATF. So students, now we're going to understand question number 185, which is Dima Basha Dam is being built on number A. Indus River, B. Jhelum River, C. Chenab, and D. None of these. So correct answer is Indus River. So as Dambar Bhasha Dam is built in Indus River. So correct answer is A. So remember this. Students, now we're going to understand about question number 186. British Airways resume operation to Pakistan after a period of A. 6 years, B. 8 years, C. 11 years, and D. None of these. So correct answer is C. 11 years. And British Air resume operations to Pakistan after a period of 11 years. So students, now we're going towards question number 187. What it is? It is Nadir Shah invaded India during the reign of A. Muhammad Shah, Bahadur Shah, C. Shah Alam, and D. None of these. So correct answer is Muhammad Shah. Student, now we're going towards question number 188. So our option of question number 187 is A. Now we're going towards question number 188. So what it is? In the provincial election of 1946, Muslim League won how many seats? A. 492, B. 498, C. 425, D. None of these. So correct answer is C. 425. In the provincial election of 1946, Muslim League won 425 seats. So student, now we're going to which is option C. So student, now we're going towards another question number 187, which is who requested Napoleon for help to drive the British out of India? A. Shivaji, B. Jai Singh, Tipu Sultan, or D. None of these. So correct answer is C. Tipu Sultan. Students, now we're going to understand about question number 190, which is which pass connect Chitral with Afghanistan? Number A. Dorha Pass. Number B. Bolan Pass. Number C. Kojak Pass. And number D. None of these. So correct answer is A. Dorha Pass. Dorha Pass connect Chitral with Afghanistan. So correct answer is A. So students, now we're going towards question number 191, which is ruins of Harappa are situated in A. Lahore, B. Okara, C. Sahiwal, and D. None of these. So the correct answer is Sahiwal. So ruins of Harappa was situated in Sahiwal. So option C is correct. So students, now we're going towards question number 192, which is 3rd June plan was announced by A. Radcliffe, B. Mountbatten, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, or D. None of these. So correct answer for this question is Lord Mountbatten, which is B. So 3rd June plan was announced by Mountbatten. So students, now we're going to understand about question number 193, which is which movement in India started in response of Shodhi and Singhatan movement of Hindus? A. Talgi movement, B. Jihad movement, C. Tablighi and Tanzim movement, and D. None of these. So correct answer is A. Talgi movement. So students, now we're going towards which is option A. So students, now we're going towards question number 194, which is which was the head of Nehru Report Committee. So students, now we're going to answer question number 194, which is who was the head of Nehru Report Committee? A. Motilal Nehru, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi ji, or D. None of these. So the correct answer is A. Motilal Nehru. Motilal Nehru is the head of Nehru Report Committee, which is A option. So students, now we're going towards question number 195, which is under the Legacy Council Act of 1861 could issue ordinance for government of British India in emergency. A. Secretary of State, B. Viceroy of India, C. Governor General, and D. None of these. So correct answer is Viceroy of India. So students, now we're going to, which is option B. Students, now we're going to understand about question number 196, which is governor of a province is concerned as A. Administrative chief, B. Constitutional head, C. Judicial chief, and D. None of these. So correct answer is constitutional head. Constitutional head is govern of a province is considered. Constitution head, you have to remember it, which is B. The governor general of a province is a head. So now we're going towards question number 197, which is Operation Swift Resort was launched by A. USA against Afghanistan, B. Pakistan against India, C. India against Pakistan, and D. None of these. So students, the correct answer is Operation Swift Resort was launched by Pakistan against India. As India has launched India against Pakistan was surgical strike, and USA in Afghanistan there are so many operations which they launch, and this was there. So you have to remember here the Swift Resort is related to Pakistan against India. So which is option B. So student, now we're going towards question number 198, which is who has signed Pakistan Tax Amnesty Scheme Order 2019? A. President Arif Alvi, B. Prime Minister Imran Khan, and C. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh, or D. None of these. So correct answer is President Arif Alvi. President Arif Alvi has signed Pakistan Tax Amnesty Scheme Order 2019. So correct answer is option A, President Arif Alvi. So student, now we're going towards question number 199, which is Asas program is a social safety and dash program launched by government of Pakistan in the March 2019. A. Industrial development, B. Poverty alleviation, C. Agriculture development, D. None of these. So correct answer is B. Poverty alleviation. For Asas program, we all know about Asas program is for social welfare of poverty to reduce in Pakistan. Program by government, which is launched by government of Pakistan, which is in March 2019. So you remember it, B option. So students, our last question is question number 200, which is you can see here, which is what is the full name of Pakistan's own satellite press? A. Pakistan Radio Satellite Station System, B. Pakistan Remote Systematic Sensing, C. Pakistan Remote Sensing Satellite, and D. None of these. So correct answer is Pakistan Remote Sensing Satellite. Actually Before it, we are using Chinese satellite on lease. We have taken it, and now thanks to Allah, we have made Pakistan made its own satellite press, which is option C, Pakistan Remote Sensing Satellite. You have to, student, remember this. This is the good news and great news for us all Pakistanis. So thank you very much. Have a good luck for your MPT exam in February 2020. It was happened. So good luck from my side and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.